In this presentation you will learn about the new packaging lab at Christian Brothers University. Enjoy! The idea of a packaging lab building at CBU started in the early 2000s, as a simple building. Between 2003 to 2006, a few basic pieces of packaging testing equipment were acquired from a grant from the Assisi Foundation of Memphis. This includes a swing arm drop tester, a small vibration table, a shock machine, an environmental chamber, an altitude chamber, and a Kongsberg cutting table. CBU Packaging Lab was certified as a commercial testing lab by the International Safe Transit Association in 2009. The Healthcare Packaging Consortium was established in 2010, with major corporations. The construction of the packaging lab building started in 2023, from a generous gift from the Gadomski Family Foundation. It is operational in January of 2024. CBU is working on becoming an ISTA-certified thermal testing lab. We hope to accomplish this goal before the end of 2024. Why commercial testing? First, it generates revenue to support program and students, to maintain equipment, and to provide on-campus employment to students. Second, it adds strength to our packaging program. We practice what we teach. Students learn in a real commercial settings. A business on campus is unique. Third, it gives opportunities to connect with the packaging industry. Before the new building, packaging equipment pieces were located in 3 different areas of the St. Benilde Engineering Lab building. The total space for packaging lab was a little under 2,000 square feet. The new packaging lab building is located in the space in front of the existing engineering lab building. There are 2 major labs, distribution lab and thermal lab. The lab space is doubled to about 4,000 square feet. The new packaging lab building was designed by Fleming Architects and built by Linkus Construction. The Gadomski Family Foundation provided the fund for it. The new building has a new entrance with a hallway leading to the existing lobby of the St. Benilde Engineering Lab building. It becomes an integral part of the engineering lab building. This slide shows pictures of the building, its interior space, and various equipment. It is a world-class lab facility to serve CBU students and the industry. The current strength of CBU Packaging is in the area of distribution packaging. CBU Packaging Lab has been an ISTA-certified transport testing lab since 2009. The new lab space and equipment strengthen the distribution packaging capability of CBU Packaging. The new space allows CBU to move into medical device packaging. No certification is needed for this area of testing. Currently, we have equipment for peel testing, shelf life study, and adhesive strength analysis. The new lab space, together with additional environmental chambers, allow CBU to move into a new area of cold chain packaging, or shipping of temperature-sensitive products. We are working towards becoming an ISTA-certified thermal testing lab. This slide shows a list of ISTA test protocols CBU Packaging Lab is certified to perform. The list covers most of the available ISTA protocols. Our team consists of 3 faculty members, 2 lab technician, 1 lab consultant, and 4 students. The lab consultant is an experienced packaging professional, who retired from FedEx Packaging Lab after 18 years as FedEx Lab Manager. Under distribution packaging, CBU Lab has several pieces of equipment. This slide shows 3 drop testers, with payload capacity from 175 pounds to over 600 pounds. The lab has 2 compression tables, with maximum forces of 5,000 pounds and 15,000 pounds. The distribution lab also have 3 vibration tables, with maximum payload from 75 pounds to over 3,000 pounds. An incline impact tester and 4 conditioning chambers are also available for distribution testing. The walk-in environmental chamber, shown on the right, has floor space to accommodate 2 standard pallets. The CBU Packaging Lab also has a shock machine with payload capacity of 500 pounds. It also has a triaxial accelerometer with 100 G maximum shock capacity. Environmental and altitude chambers are necessary for thermal testing in the cold chain packaging area. In addition to the big chambers mentioned earlier, CBU Lab also has a small environmental chamber, known as microclimate chamber, as shown on the right. It is portable. We use various thermal data logger devices. The triaxial accelerometer mentioned earlier, shown on the left, can also measure temperature, humidity, and pressure. The infrared or thermal camera allows us to measure surface temperature of an object quickly. We also have 3 units of X-Tech portable temperature and humidity data logger. They allow us to monitor temperature and humidity in a package during testing. A data acquisition system for thermocouples is also available for monitoring temperature of a package and chamber during testing. In the area of medical device packaging, the chambers mentioned earlier can be used for shelf life studies. A tensile tester shown in the middle can be used for peel test of a lid from a plastic tray. The picture on the right shows a vial capping equipment and a seal strength tester for trays and pouches. This slide shows equipment we use for material research. The picture on the left shows a Mullen burst tester, an edge crush tester, a tensile tester, and a portable environmental chamber. The picture on the right shows our paperboard making station. We have done extensive work in producing paperboard from waste materials, such as rice hulls and peanut shells. In the area of packaging design, the CBU Packaging Lab has a Kongsberg table for box design. The CBU Packaging Lab has benefited CBU packaging program in many ways. This slide shows various classes that have lab component. Now shown on the slide is PKG 315 Packaging Materials course and PKG 491 Packaging Research course. Both use the Packaging Lab extensively. The lab has benefited high school students through Packaging Lab Tour and Summer Research Program. This slide sums up what we offer at CBU on packaging, from educational programs, to commercial testing services, to the Healthcare Packaging Consortium. For more information, please contact Dr. Pong at cbu.edu.